Welcome to Richard Mabey Presents.
Hello, YouTube friends. This is Richard Mabey with Richard Mabey Presents. I'm with my sister Patty. She's driving, appreciate it very much. It is Friday, March 29th, 2025 at 9:28 in the morning. We are going to the big comic book show, Joe Weir's comic book show. But first, I got the cool Batman hat on and the very super duper cool Batman shirt on. The very cool Batman shirt. So we decided to pop in and take a spin through the Blue Parrot, what'd you call it? Blue Parrot Development? Blue Parrot Campground. So, as Jackie Gleason would say, away we go. So, YouTube friends, we are checking out the Blue Parrot. The 62 is for sale. 62 is for sale. Just checking it out for more or less just on our way.
There's another one for sale.
Another one. What number is that?
I don't know.
But it doesn't tell you like Wyckoff Realty or something like that, you know?
No, I think they're by owner.
You just knock on the door. A little shed back there. So anyway, we were on our way to the big comic book show, and so anyway, we got a pass here. See, visitors.
There's another one for sale.
Ooh, another one for sale. Which one?
The pink one back there.
Ooh, yeah, that's a good one. Oh yeah. So far, 3 for sale. They're selling like hotcakes here.
Yeah. Cold cakes. I'll go this way.
So I gotta take my hats down here. Oh, something fell there.
Oh, the coupons.
Oh.
This thing's big.
This is huge. You would never think so. Oh, that's a nice shed there. That's a nice shed there.
It's better than the house.
Yeah.
Look at this. This is huge.
There's a blue parrot there.
This is huge.
Look at the back field back there.
This is unbelievable. This one's for sale.
Ooh. What number is that?
I don't know.
For sale. You want to get it?
Yeah, zooming in. How you zoom in?
You do it with your thumb and finger in there.
Colleen, somebody has it.
Can you? Want me to get out and get it?
Yeah.
All right, hold on.
There might be somebody in there, so don't go to.
No. Hold on, folks. Let me get it back to normal. Let's get the info on this one. Watch, one of our YouTube viewers will buy it on this. Hold on.
I kind of like it because
It's kind of cute. Let's see here. I don't know. Let's see. It's got a nice sidewalk there. Yeah, it's kind of nice. Down home where they know you by name and treat you like family, Colleen Kramer. Could be related to Kramer from Seinfeld. 352-408-9317. 352-408-9317. Okay, I got it. Okay, there it is. Okay.
I like that one.
I kind of like it too.
Shut that off for a second.
Okay. Okay, folks, gonna take a little break and be right back. And we're back. This place is huge.
This thing goes for miles.
For miles.
I thought it was only that little
miles.
bit. Didn't you?
Yeah. So we got the lowdown on that trailer, that mobile home that we just looked at, that Colleen Kramer has, and it is what do you call it?
Yeah, it only came down once.
Yeah,
Uh-oh, it's a dead end.
dead end.
Oh, no, it's not.
Walking the dog there.
I know. It's got a bow on it. Is it a dead end?
No, it's not.
It's a whip around her.
This place is huge.
This is huge. You gotta be kidding me. This is huge.
This is huge.
This is almost the size of the one that's up in wherever.
Oh, look at the woods. Nature trail. Oh, wow. This is a little bench there. Garbage can. What more could you ask for? A little bench, a garbage can. Well, these folks.
I could remember something happened to you.
Yeah. Look at the shed in the back here. Look at, that's a beautiful shed. That's a gorgeous shed. Look at the man. Very patriotic types here.
Excuse me.
Yeah, so we're official here. We signed in. We're a visitor's pass. So we're official here.
Oh, that's a nice one there.
Ooh, that is nice. That is nice.
I never knew it went back this far.
I know.
Here's
Ooh,
an empty lot.
Empty, and a beautiful shed in the back there. Look, it's woodsy in the back.
That one's empty and just rotting away.
Yeah.
Well, here's what's this? The laundromat again?
I guess something
Or
like
another bathroom?
another bathroom, I guess.
Yeah, they gotta have a couple bathrooms here.
This is actually kind of cozy here. It's kind of a cozy place.
Look, they're playing
Oh,
pickleball
wow.
or something.
How cool is that? They're just like,
Tennis.
yeah.
They're playing tennis.
That's
Look,
cool.
Pickleball.
Just having a little fun there.
Playing
And look at how
pickleball.
woodsy it is. It's really woodsy here.
I gotta get myself a mint.
I got hold of. Here, can you hold the?
Uh-oh, here comes the
Whoa,
dog.
whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, but you better stop altogether.
I know.
Has he got that dog on a lead?
Yeah, he's got the dog on a leash.
I mean, but that's sort of.
No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't.
Okay, here, I gotta get the mint out.
I didn't want to. That was pretty funny.
Okay, I gotta get one for myself here.
That's a nice blue one. That's nice.
Yeah, that is nice. Is that for sale?
No.
Oh. Okay.
You get two of them, man?
No, I only got one.
Yeah, I'll hold
Okay,
it.
okay.
There are a lot of empty lots here. Look at them all.
Yeah. They got some nice sheds here, that's for sure.
I wonder how much it costs for the lot.
Oh, now I'm gonna be talking with a mint.
We'll stop again because it's at 9:30.
Yeah.
We gotta get out of here.
The Blue Parrot. With it. Look how spacious this is here.
Well, there's a couple lots there.
Oh. The Blue Parrot. Cute little car there.
You have to keep it on the thing because it'll get wet.
Well, that was actually fun. I mean, look at the nice shed there. No, that's a shed. That's a nice little shed there.
Oh, wonder if they deliver propane to you. Because they sell propane.
Yeah, I know. Stop. We're coming out to County Road 25 here.
I never went back in there.
I know, and who knew it was so big? There's little Tommy.
Get your mail down here in the mailbox.
I know.
The village one.
There's the blue Parrot.
They do deliver mail there because I saw the guy go in and get his mail.
Okay.
They do have mail stuff, you know.
Okay, folks, be right back. Oh, YouTube friends, we checked out the blue Parrot. It was actually kind of cozy. It was actually, and the people were friendly, right? So, we are now on...
They can't see me shaking. Yes.
Right.
Sorry.
That's okay. So anyway, we are on is it County Road 42 or Highway 42? Highway. Okay, we are on Highway 42 now, headed out to Joe Peace's big time comic book show, and I'm excited about that. And so I'm gonna hit my philosophy, my goal this morning is hit the 50 centers, and this is my order of looking for comic books. Number 1, Batman. Number 2 is Superman, and number 3, Spider-Man. But you know what? You don't see many Batman, and you hardly ever see Spider-Man in the 50 centers. You know. So Highway 42, it's got some hills in it. A lot of like ranches and farms. People have big spreads here. I think this is big money out here, don't you?
Might be.
I think it's big money. Got the old pine trees here. It's we must be going east because we're going right into the sun.
Yeah.
So I have a compass in my glove compartment. I kind of like that house there. That's kind of nice. So yeah, going to the comic book show. It's now 9:38 in the morning. Oh, 55 on this road is pretty lenient, isn't it? 55 on this road?
Yeah.
Remember, it comes up on you quicker than you think.
I was 12 last time.
You were. We both were. There's the horse. This is where I see the white horse all the time.
The horse getting a bath.
Beautiful horses. Countryside lakes. I know, it was cute. It was really cute. What's the temperature outside?
73.
That's pretty good. It was a little chilly this morning when I went out to get the paper, you know?
It's always chilly.
There's the pond. There's a beautiful lake there. Now Joe's is right coming up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna look for Batman, Superman, and Spider-Man. My top 3. There's the white horse. There's the white horse. There's the white horse. Wow. Joe doesn't put the signs up like he used to.
No, that's what the problem is.
I know.
No, I don't think it's here yet. Yeah.
It is. know one viewer is going to have a comment.
I didn't slam my brakes on.
No, I know. I'm only kidding. Here's that bump we all love.
Oh, God.
Oh, that bump.
Oh.
I got to admit, it is pretty rough.
Especially with my back.
This is as down home as it gets.
No, the campground was.
Yeah. But it was kind of cozy, wasn't it?
Yeah. Okay, shut her off.
All right. Okay. Just a little, in just a little more, and I'll shut her off. In just a little more. I love this. I love this area right here.
Don't say it.
No.
Oh, God. That bump hurts my back so bad all the time. Wow. That's
Coming
a kill in the back. Are you sure it's today?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
You sure?
Yeah, there's people there. Okay, folks, I'm gonna sign off. So, YouTube friends, we're departing from Joe's big comic book show, and they had some really, really good comic books in the 50 cent bins. And well, we got there early, right? Friday.
Yeah.
We got there early. So
Been a half hour.
yeah, when we get there 9:30ish.
Yeah.
So the early bird gets the worm, and oh my goodness, got some mobile home here. What is that? Oh, it's a shed. Oh, deliver that to 438, buddy. So anyway,
Dog runs.
oh wow. Oh, I love that. I love that tree there. That's a nice tree. Now that's a live oak. That's a beautiful tree there. So anyway, this is probably the deal of the year. 60 center. Fantastic Four number 260. I can hardly read the print anymore. I can't read the print. Oh man, I can't. 1981. That looks like. Okay. So anyway, there it is. Fantastic Four. 60 center. 1981. Fantastic Four. The world's greatest comic magazine ever. Fantastic Four. Get a little focus in there. Great cover. Got Spider-Man there in the corner. Bottom left-hand corner. Fantastic Four. Number 260. 60 center. For 50 cents. What a deal. So it opens up. It opens up with the Submariner, and it got a Cracker Jack advertisement on the inside front cover. Get yourself a little toy inside the Cracker Jack. The story opens up with the Submariner. So Fantastic Four number 260. Great cover there. Moving right along. Wolverine number 42. There it is. Wolverine 42, $1.25. That's I'm gonna say that's around 1991. Wolverine. Beautiful cover there. What are they on the back? Oh, the Circle K. Coming along here. And now we're going to go on 25. Hammer Realtors. Circle K. Okay. Now, where was I? Wolverine 42. Look at that. Now that's a cover. Dynamite cover there. Wolverine 42. Here's a hot comic book. 50 cents. Really hot comic book. Star Trek number 2. There it is. There's the 2. Star Trek Number 2, the old Star Trek, the original Star Trek regime. Number 2. So I suspect this is worth probably about $20, $25 on eBay. Got it for 50 cents. Number 2. Moving right along here. From 1993, Adventures of Superman number 500, key issue. Back from the Dead. There it is. Superman, Back from the Dead, 1993, and number 500. This is the one that people waited in line to get. Long lines at the comic book stores to get this comic book. And I'm gonna wrap it up with this is a fantastic comic book, 64 pager, 1990, Spectacular Spider-Man Annual, 64 pages. There's Spidey. Look at that. Spectacular Spider-Man. Let's see, the 1990 64-page annual. Incredible cover. Just a great cover. Spectacular Spider-Man. The 1990 annual number 10, 64 pages. Just a great cover. So that wraps up the view. A view of I only got a few more after this. Oh, the cows are out. There they are. The cows are out. So one of my favorite roads in Central Florida, County Road 25. It's like a medium crowd there today, wasn't it?
There was no crowd at all there today.
Yeah, I know.
I didn't think.
I know. Well, we were early, so maybe that was it. Here's the sheds I like. I mean, not the sheds, the cabins. They're kind of cute, actually, you know?
They fixed them up.
Yeah, they did. There's the house that looked like Leonidas' house. And, of course, one of Florida's smallest post offices. There it is. Good old County Road 25. I'm losing my voice. Yeah. All right, folks, I'm going to take a little break and be right back. Hello, YouTube friends. We took a side road, and we are in the back roads, the less traveled roads of Ocklawaha, Florida. Ocklawaha, Florida is where Ma Barker and her son hid out from the wall. Was it one son or two sons?
One. The other son reported the other because he was jealous.
Yeah.
She used to have sex with him.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, every time you ask me, I'm going to tell you.
Okay. We'll keep it G. We'll keep it G rated.
So.
Okay. There we go. Look at these trees, Patty. No, they're trees. That's what a live oak is like. Look at that.
Look at the holes.
Yeah, look at the potholes here. No, that's a tree. Whoa, these are beautiful live oaks. This is weird.
He's stopping for him. Private property, no trespassing.
I've got a gun and I know how to.
Put the camera down. Put the camera down.
This is like redneck.
Does this shoot you?
I know, this is real redneck. It's got the Confederate flag out. Oh man, that's like scary.
Get out of here. This guy, geez.
Wow, this is like. another
How do you get out of
dimension.
here?
I don't know. I just. Wow.
It's behind the Methodist church. There's a cemetery.
Yeah, we should walk the cemetery
Yeah.
sometime.
What's the name of the cemetery?
I don't know. I didn't see it. Ocklawaha Cemetery. Ocklawaha Cemetery.
Oh, we're going out to something.
Coming out to something very patriotic here. The fellow back there had the Confederate flag out. That's a nice
Oh, I
little
know where
break.
we are.
464.
Yeah.
Clear here. Ow, ooh,
Oh,
ow,
sorry.
that hurt. That's okay. That's okay.
Well, that took a
Just
lot.
hold it for 1 second.
That took a big chunk out.
Yeah.
That was weird. Where did we turn into? Oh, by the Methodist church.
I lost all my stuff here. I lost. Alright, hold on. I'll get it in a minute. One minute. Oh, jeez. I'll be right there. Okay, I got it. And this is believed to be the very spot where Ma Barker had her hideout. For sale. That's big bucks. That's big bucks. You're talking a couple $1 million there.
Now you go down that road, and it's people that live there forever, right?
Right.
Then you got these houses.
I know.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Road work ahead. Doesn't it feel like a Saturday?
The old day I thought it was Saturday.
Yeah. There's that old house there. This Fantastic Four, I was just flipping through it quickly. It looks like a good story. It's got the Submariner. Now the Submariner, some of the time he was a bad guy, and some of the time he was a good guy. You know what I mean? He kept flipping. This restaurant here, someone bought it and never opened it up again.
Nope.
I like this little motel
We should
here.
have went there when Mom was alive. Advertised
I
all the time,
know.
remember?
I know. I like this little motel here. Tall Pines Motel.
It's a little shady.
Tall Pines Motel.
It's a little shady.
Well, it's kind of cute. It's kind of.
I don't care what you say. It's shady. It's probably a welfare hotel.
Tall Pines Motel.
And trailer park. Where's the trailer park? Oh, right there. Back there.
Oh yeah. It's kind of a nice setup there.
Mm.
What are they doing up here?
Wires, I guess.
Good thing we got here early, huh?
I know. We might have time to go there.
I know. I don't know. It's how many? It's got 1, 2, 3,
The-
4,
is the
5, 6,
office.
7, 8, 9, 10. Looks like 10 rooms. It's got a soda machine at the end here. I mean, what more do you want?
It's that hotel that Shitsville was in. Remember that?
Yeah. It's got the soda machine. It's got some nice
Those rich
chairs.
people, they got 2 rooms in it. Remember?
Yeah, I know.
That was a funny show. Buddy, that ain't gonna make them go any
I know.
faster.
Assistant Scoutmaster, Donald Duck, and the full camporee of 1983. There we go. Slow. we go. They're doing a lot of work here. Got the big. There they go. Put them. Stop. Hold them up. Big things happening in Ocklawaha. Good old 25. I like 25. I like highway. Well, it's not a highway. County Road 25. My hip is hurting already.
Oh, my back and hip hurt.
Folks, arthritis is no fun. I've got arthritis in both knees. Oh, there's the old fire truck. The old fire truck. 10:50. It's 10:50 in the morning. I think we got time. Yeah, so got an old Fantastic Four from 1981 for 50 cents. You can't get a better deal than that. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So there's a pavilion there. Have a family picnic there. Here's the tower I love. Oh, I passed it.
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't even realize it. Yeah. You know, not one person said, hey, that's a... Oh, wait, one person did in the mailbox center. But after the mailbox center, no one gave me a compliment on my Batman shirt.
I didn't have it at all.
Actually, it is.
I was agreeing with you.
Oh, okay. Look at this. Family Dollar, and then a stone's throw away, Dollar General. Marathon, get yourself some fried chicken at the Marathon. Yeah.
Why would we go 301?
Okay.
We have to get our medicines.
I know. We are going to check out new and resale homes. Smith Lake Shores. I don't know the.
I got it.
You know it?
Yes.
Okay.
Come in here enough.
Okay. Hold on, folks. Be right back.
That house is up for sale there.
Ooh, which one?
The end one?
This one. Oh, yeah. It's a nice one.
Yeah.
It's a chap walking his
This one's
dog.
for sale.
Ooh.
That's
yeah.
got a ramp on it.
Nice corner lock there.
I know it's got a ramp.
And it's got a
too.
ramp. Ooh, I like that one with the tree in
There's a lot
front
of
of
them up for sale. There's a lot fuming up.
it. On the right hand side, they have woods behind them.
Yeah.
There's a couple of folks there sitting in there.
Bird
They
out of
wave.
their
They're
skull.
friendly people.
Bird out of their skull. They're waiting for somebody to walk by with their little doggies.
Yeah. Got the woods right behind you there. This is beautiful here. This is nice.
This one's for sale.
Ooh. Want me to get the number and
No.
everything?
29. I don't like the incline. You have to go up the hill.
That's a big incline. That's a
Yeah,
big
You got a
incline.
parking there, though.
Yeah, that's a big
I
incline.
know. A lot of them came up for sale just in the last couple of days.
Yeah.
Oh, no, from Tuesday.
Well, they have an HOA, right? Are they gonna put? Look, what are they gonna
They're
put?
gonna
They
put
put
one
one in here.
Yep. She said that one got knocked down or something.
I mean, knocked down meaning not approved.
Oh, the wind or something.
Oh.
This one's for sale. That's the one we looked at.
It is.
Everything's orange or something.
Yeah.
Because then we looked at this one. I went in this one. You went.
Yeah, that's right. We did. We even did a YouTube of it.
No.
No.
No, Wanda has them. That one's not a bad one. It's just that they wanted a lot of money for it, I think. They're not. You know why they're not selling?
Why?
The lot fees went up $50. There's another one for sale by owner.
Oh yeah. Now that one we looked at too. I
No,
remember.
that was by owner now.
Oh.
There's another one down here we looked at.
Retention pond.
There's no difference between this and the other place.
The one we looked at earlier.
You know that, don't you?
Yeah. Actually, I thought the one we looked at earlier this morning was.
Yeah, you go that way. There's a few around the bend.
Yeah, right.
But I don't want to go that way.
I don't either. Yeah. Just walking her dog there.
They all got dogs.
Friendly people. Friendly people.
There's one for sale.
Oh yeah, a lot for sale.
Yeah, you know what?
Emily Murray.
You know why, don't you?
Yeah.
A lot fee went up. And it's now 7 something. This is a nice house because it looks over the pond.
Yes.
Well, the used to have water in it.
Oh, I love that bridge. It's so cute.
Used to have water in it.
I would go there in that veranda, whatever it is, there and read a comic book or something. You know.
Yeah.
Could read my Fantastic Four comic book there. You know.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's some around that bend.
Yeah, this is
Those
big.
for sale. Let me show you them.
Yeah, this place is big.
Yeah, but no, the other place is quite big too.
Yeah, that's true.
There's one down here. I never owned that.
So, the land rental fee is
$735.
$735 a month.
Except if you go here by the
Friendly
water,
people.
it's $100 more.
What?
Uh-huh.
So you're gonna fight off alligators and pay $100 more?
Yeah. There's one around here somewhere. Where is it? This is where we looked right after Mom passed away.
Yeah.
And it was number whatever, and the guy didn't know what he wanted to take.
Was it number 4?
I thought it was number 4, but she said no.
I thought so too. There's another chap walking his dog.
Dogs get excited
Yeah.
when all the other dogs are going.
Friendly people, I'll tell you. Look at this man.
He was down this way. I forget where it was.
He's not too friendly.
I saw you tape it.
Yeah.
There's one down here somewhere, I think. So. This right here gives you more room for parking now.
Yes.
Where our friend is, you can't park on the street. You can't park.
Yeah. It's very woodsy here, you know? Oh, my arthritis is really bothering me. Cardinal Drive and Jaybird Terrace.
There's the little country club
Yeah.
back in there.
There it is, the country club. It's so cute.
This house is painted all different colors.
Oh, yeah.
Her father died, and she painted it the colors he liked.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I'm surprised they didn't tell
I'm
you.
surprised it got through the HOA.
I am too. Now up here's where the one it would be like diagonal to her.
Right, okay.
See where that house is? That one there?
Oh,
The
yeah.
orange. That one's for sale.
Yes.
It backs up to the.
Woods.
Woods.
That's a nice one.
Well, backs up to the goats. It's for sale.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
Oh shoot.
What happened?
She lives right down the road here.
Oh, yeah. She's probably walking the dog now.
Her car's still here, so I guess I can do a Yui-Dui.
Yeah.
Watch, she probably is watching out the window and sees me turning around. She'll say, "Were you up by my house?" No.
There it is, for sale.
It's a nice house inside.
It is.
I looked at the internet. We got a lot of junk outside the building, you know.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know.
That's the only problem. There's a couple here, but these are brand new homes.
Oh, yeah, that's for sale.
It's brand new. This one's brand new. The people only lived here about 2 months and they moved out. It's brand new. We got a headache.
Oh, my arthritis is killing me.
I know we should brought Tylenol with us.
Wow.
Guess you good stuff at Dollar Tree and get it.
No, it's just waste a lot of money. Just have mental attitude. I try to rise above it. Palm trees there.
That's a big one.
That is big. That is big. And it's just like kind of a little open space there behind it, you know?
Yeah, not much.
I know.
There's another one here somewhere. That's gonna have a trailer.
That's a nice sized yard for this one
No,
here.
it's got a trailer. Some of these are brand spanking new.
Could you increase the AC a little bit? Thank you.
The color sack.
Oh yeah.
There's only one house on it because those are facing the other way.
Right, yeah.
Huh.
269 with 2 house numbers on it.
That's interesting. All the other ones are facing the other way. And they can't get another house in between.
No.
Here. That's pretty interesting.
For sale.
Yeah. That looks like a nice house.
Yeah. A lot of homes are for sale here.
Because they're lot fewer.
Yeah.
That's one. I'd say there's a good 15 homes in here
Every bit of it.
for sale. Easily 15 homes. I think this corner lot was for sale.
I think so too. Way back when.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, this is fun. I'm having a lot of fun doing this. These are cute. These are new here.
Yeah, these are all new. There could put 5 of them in here.
Wow.
5 new homes. You'll be right on top of each other. Look at, they got the dirt already ready for them to go.
The lot fee's a little high.
Oh, and then the brand new ones, the lot fees $50 more. So that you be paid
Wow.
$784.
Almost $700.
No, $784 you are.
$784.
Almost $800.
800. Almost 800. $16 short of $800.
Yep.
Oh my goodness gracious.
It'd be by the water. That's $100 more. So you're at $835.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Hope this one hurt.
Is it?
No.
Well, this was fun. This was fun. There's a gatehouse there.
Yeah, there's no one in it.
Yeah. Well, this was fun. This was actually.
They put a Santa Claus in there.
No. That was fun. So we're at 11:03. The big church luncheon is at 11:30. Wonder who's cooking.
That guy.
Oh, that guy's cooking.
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna cook it right there.
No, he's bringing it from home.
Oh, how are they gonna warm it up? Oven?
I guess in the oven. I don't know. I didn't ask him that. I asked him if there was mushrooms in it. Jeez.
knees are killing me and my hips killing me. This arthritis is terrible. Okay, I'm gonna flip around here. Okay, folks, going to wrap things up here. So, YouTube friends, thus ends another fun-filled, exciting, educational episode of Richard Mabey Presents. I thank my sister Patty for driving. Appreciate it very much. And as always, thank you for watching. Appreciate it very much. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I know that 85% of the people watching my show haven't subscribed yet. Just made that up. So, please subscribe. I now have. Oh, that's right.
No.
Okay. So stay happy, stay positive, stay healthy. This is Richard Mabey signing off. Bye for now. Two friends. Bonus footage. They got the Batmobile Hot Wheels here. Batmobile. Is it $2? Batmobile. So I had all these people walking by and I wasn't able to talk, but they got the Batmobile for $2 here at the CVS on 466A in Wildwood. Very cool. The Batmobile for $2. Very cool. Very cool.